here we are on a mudslide job. It is mud, by the way. For everyone that said that it was poop on TikTok. That is mud. But you've got all the air handlers in here. Air handler. It'll work for HVAC, you don't want air movers, not an air handler. This back here was a really bad room. Really dried up. It's kind of loud with all these air movers in here. Hopefully you guys can hear me. Here's this bathroom where it said it looked like it was painted. It still kind of does resemble it. Crazy job. So we're getting going with this. We have Yaya here today, one of our contents ladies, to start packing things out, moving them in those units over there. Let's actually go find her. Let's see where she's at. Nope. Let's see. So Yaya, explain to us what you're doing today.
We are going through and sorting through the salvage and non-salvage. If it's obviously ruined and we have no way of restorating it or storing it, then we're going to go ahead and write it off and mark it and detail it really good, and then go ahead and toss it out of our way, and then get all the stuff that we think we can clean in one pod, and then all the stuff that may be able to clean in another pod.
Okay. All right. Well, thanks for that.
No problem.
So we're moving right along with this job. I'll keep you guys updated. If you have any water needs, water damage needs, fire, mold, roofing, whatever it may be, just call Restorations Pro.